Hi, welcome to demonstration of event management system. So this system works as an event manager which holds your event and creates all the stuffs. Um, this system only allows the registered customer to book an event. So let's register. So it generates an automatic ID which is auto incremented after each register. I already have an ID, so let's log in. So my ID and the password. So after login, I get this user home where I can see my details. I can book an event. I can even view the booking status and my previous histories of the booking. I can give the feedbacks to the admin, and I can even view the venues. So let's see the view venue page. In this view venue page, I can select the type of event which I want to book or something. So just click on this select and select the type of event. So let's select marriage. XYZ ground. So after selecting this, I will get its cost and I will get the venue. You can admin can just upload the venue photo and the user will see over here. So let's see my details now. In my details, the user will get to see his name and his details, address and all. If he wants, he can update if any update in the email address or anything. So it will help the admin of the system. Let's book an event. So you will get a unique booking event ID. So you have to save this for every booking. You have to then select the type of an event, and you will be allowed to select the place and number of guests arriving to the event. So like 500 and the date. So let's select 26/04/15. And let's select search. So if that venue is available on that date and time, so it will allow me to book. So let's select the equipments which we need. If we need DJ or stage for the event, we'll select so let's select only DJ and then select next, and then it gives us the option for food. We have four options: breakfast, lunch, tea and snacks, and dinner. So let's select dinner and lunch. So we'll get the options of what kind of lunch do you want to keep, like normal, deluxe or royal type. Each has different rates for them. So let's select deluxe for both and select next, and then we'll select the decorations. So lighting, how do we want? So normal, deluxe, royals. So normal lighting, flowers no, and for sitting, chairs and sofas. So let's calculate the expense of the event. So after that, after selecting all this, you will get the approx cost of the event, and if you like, you can submit, or you can just revert back and select a different venue or something. So let's select submit, and this will be sent to an approval for the admin, and we'll select the payment, and we have to just give our credit card payment details. So this is just a demo credit card payment. So let's give the number and CVV number and name on the card and the expiry date like 08/01/97 and say pay. So after that payment, it will just give us the receipt of the invoice of what we have selected and what all does the cost includes. So we have selected DJ, lunch, dinner and lighting, and this is the cost of the hall which is selected. And just you can print it if you want to print by pressing Ctrl P, or you can just leave it. So you can just print your invoice and just show it to someone, or you can just keep it and save it to yourself. And we'll go back. and you can view your booking status. You have to just search your booking ID, which I told you to save it over here. So just go over here and search your booking ID, and you will get the status of your booking. And if you search any other booking, previous booking, it will also allow you to do that. So let's say 145, so it's still pending. And in this booking history, I will get my booking history of my all bookings. So this is the number of bookings that I have done. You will be shown all. Then you can just give the feedback to the admin, saying that your preparation was awesome and all, or if you find any default in your wedding or something, so you can just give him a feedback or something. And let's see the admin login. So admin has its own specific login ID and password. Its ID and its password. So admin has a few options like add venue, new bookings, view bookings and view venues, and the view feedbacks. So for add venue, admin have to give the name of the venue, the address, phone number and the capacity that the venue can hold, and which can be the preferred one for the venue, and the rupees for a venue for one function. And he can even choose the image of that venue and upload. Then there is a new booking tab where admin can see the status of all the bookings that are pending. So I can just select one of this booking ID like 147 and just click on search. So I will get an option of changing its status, like I can just click on seen or cancel or approve. So if I want to approve that transaction or something, so I can just click on update, and that transaction will be updated to the approved part. Then let's see the view bookings. Here the admin will be shown all the bookings which are even pending, approved, cancelled and all. So you can just view all the bookings. And there is a view venue page where like same in the user, he has to select the type of function. And you can just click on view feedback. If any customers gives the feedback, it will be shown over here like feedback was good and the date time of